So Rick was having some low back pain for about 2 years. It was just something that was kind of persisting and affecting his daily life too.
I was experiencing extreme back pain in my lower back and my lumbar area of my back. It was so bad that I couldn't do any of my normal functions without getting real sore, and my passion to play golf was, I just couldn't play anymore. I was to the point I had to quit.
He had tried physical therapy at an outside facility, which gave him some relief, but not the relief that he was looking for. So he came and saw our orthopedic spine surgeon, who deemed that he was not a surgical candidate and that the pain was coming from the little tiny joints in his back, which are called facet joints. And so then he was sent over to me to further evaluate any sort of conservative treatment options for him.
Dr. Llanos was very thorough. He wanted to explain to me all the options. He looked at my MRI of my spine and said, yes, you have bad arthritis in the facet joints. And he said, we want to do a new procedure that would lead to a rhizotomy.
So we decided to do the radiofrequency ablation. What it basically involves, it's a non-invasive, there's no surgical incision. We take a probe and we bring it to where the medial branch nerves are. And then we heat up the tissues to the point where the nerve will coagulate, and so you break the connection between the nerve and the joint. And so that way you're not feeling the joint pain because that nerve has been, the connection has been broken.
It takes about 25 minutes to 35 minutes, I guess, and then you're in recovery and you're up and going. I mean, it's a very simple procedure and it worked very well.
Once we do the procedure, the connection has been broken. And so you shouldn't be feeling that type of pain afterwards.
The pain is gone and you're able to function immediately and use your back. It's amazing what it does for you. I got my golf swing back and was able to really turn my hips and not have the pain any longer. It was wonderful.
He sent me one of his friends for an evaluation as well, and his friend told me that he actually won a golf tournament. So I know Rick is doing pretty well and he's happy with the results.